Hey everyone, I'm Chris. Welcome to my channel. Here I talk about all sorts of topics I'm passionate about, like technology, finance, philosophy, psychology, and interdisciplinary subjects. Today we're diving into Microsoft's third quarter earnings reports. Microsoft just released their third quarter earnings and it's pretty impressive. Their revenue, operating income, and net profit have all grew by about 20% compared to the same period last year, showing more strong growth this quarter. The CEO mentioned Microsoft Copilot and the Copilot stack are orchestrating a new era of AI transformation, driving better business outcomes across every role and industry. However, despite this big talk, the financials didn't show much revenue from AI, so it looks like Copilot currently makes up only a tiny part of a company's total revenue. Breaking down to the numbers, the Azure Cloud computing business accounts for 40% of the total revenue. The other two segments, business to business and business to customer, each make up about 30%. This means that about 17% of Microsoft's revenue come from their business-to-business operations, which shows that Microsoft is primarily a business-focused company. Generally, B2B operations tend to be more stable than B2C. There are a couple of smaller points worth mentioning, even though they don't make a big part of our revenue. First, Microsoft's hardware business has been declining, and this quarter it dropped nearly 20%. On the other hand, Xbox grew by 62% this quarter, largely due to their acquisition of Activision Blizzard. Microsoft's current valuation is quite high, partly due to the hype around AI and also because of Microsoft's business model. The CEO also talked about this company's AI strategy in the report. But here's where I have my doubts. Even if Microsoft integrates Copilot into Office and other software, I don't see a strong willingness from business to pay for AI just yet. Microsoft seems to be having a tough time monetizing AI, so much so that they hired the former CEO of DeepMind to spearhead AI commercialization. If AI commercialization doesn't take off in the next few years, Microsoft's valuation might take a hit. To maintain their competitive position, Microsoft will need to rely on their strong B2B moat, keeping business within their software ecosystem. I've tried to figure out what Microsoft's core competitive advantage is by looking through years of financial reports. But even after all this time, I still cannot pin it down. Personally, my cost price is 280 with about 40% of a stake. I plan to keep holding. However, I wouldn't recommend buying at this current price. Everyone needs to be responsible for their current investment. Even though US inflation is still higher than expected and the Fed's rate cuts keep getting delayed, it should focus more on the microeconomic aspects like companies' fundamentals and business models. No one can predict short-term stock price, but in the long run, good companies tend to grow based on solid performance. To summarize this video, Microsoft's third quarter results were strong, and I'm holding onto my shares. If you don't already own them, please consider the high valuation and low margin of safety before buying. It's still uncertain whether AI will turn profitable for the company in the incoming years. The core strength of Microsoft lies in the stickiness of its B2B services and its pervasive ecosystem. Instead of focusing on the macro environment, we should pay more attention to the company's fundamentals. If you enjoy this analysis, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Let me know in the comments what you think about Microsoft position, or if there's another topic you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.